Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist, sir. You are highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
My names are Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite. I'm only seen to ugochitubelu in our temple, Broka an ancient high priest. Broka is only seen to an restoration evangelical mission, Bronian Basso. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. As you are joining us, keep following us on our social media platforms. Keep following us on Ezioku satellite television. Scan your free decoder, you will see Ezioku TV. Follow us on our social media platform, the TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. Our handle is Ogbuefi Ezeana Oraifite. Then keep telling people about our administration.
The first question. In Ordinana, the ancestors are deeply respected. How do you explain to people that honoring ancestors is not the same as worshipping the dead?
Thank you. Yes, I would like to use this opportunity to explain some certain things people that normally confuse people. Ancestors is our relatives that are passed on, Our father, our fathers, our mothers, our grandfathers, our grandparents, they are our ancestors. Yes. However, not all our ancestors are the saints. Not all our ancestors are the saints. Likewise, all our ancestors are worthy ancestors. That is otherwise known as Ndichie. Before mmadụ ọbụla abanye n'otu ndị ichie, ọ ga-abụ worthy ancestor. Ndị ụka kpọrọ the saints. And once mmadụ mature to the level of becoming a worthy ancestor, the person will stop to reincarnate. Okay. Reincarnation is born out of repeating class. You are given opportunity to be here on earth. You are not perfect. You have not perfected yourself. Yes, so you will be given another opportunity to come and get things done right. That is why you reincarnate. Reincarnation is out of mercy of Chukwu. Now, we pray to our dead relatives. Praying to our dead relatives is not bad on our own. It's not evil on our own. However, praying to your dead relatives, if the person is not in a place where the person will be able to save you or help you, your prayers is as good as nothing. Because somebody can nagi, no need to go to a cover. No, as I go over, Nana more. Akaji at that particular time, or will not help you. Yes. Mana obro than nage. No, quadima. Then that is where we can intercede. Macanonu do the no. Obro nine, the nine hanine. They be charondo namo. Nona position na how we can intercede for us. So when we are talking about Ndichie, what do you see in Ndichie? We are talking about worthy ancestors. Because the highest point any human spirit can achieve here on earth is perfection. Once you perfect, you become worthy ancestorhood. And it's a decision making body. You belong to an entity called the sense Ndichie. Entity Ndichie. About you all how so that they decide what happened. Also, you go and do all of no. If you to Oceabona na no one mother, they can see why. Now, earthly governance is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm. It was Sibena na mother, and when down a quite do good or hand chichi, this and also need cheer. To according to more. Mananko, I won't go watch Yakagi, merit, Gary process, May. Mananke more, put on mortgage Yakage, confide on you. That what the ancestor. However, For the fact that we are not God to judge, we remember all our departed, all our ancestors. Now calling upon them to help us. Akpọchi ịkpọcha ndị ma ịkpọzi ha onye agba onye agba ibie. Then ndị nọzi na ọnọdụ ịlụwu ọrụ ndị aka ejiro ga-respond. Ndị aka jikwa a na-azakwa ụgba. So I will encourage you, each and every one of us, to ịgbọkụ ndị nna anyị ha ndị nwụrụ anwụ ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ. Mana onye akpọchie onye respond no amara nọ n'ọrụ. So ọ bụrụ because we are calling upon them, but we are not worshiping them. We are just referencing on them, recognizing them as our parents. Thank you.